Good morning, Team STEAM, or whatever time it is you happen to be watching this video. Today I'm going to show you how to, or some ideas for how to complete your first two slides in your virtual science fair for natural disasters. Remember, we have natural disasters as our topic because that is in our Nat Geo curriculum for language arts. And we love to cross it over to science. So first up, I want you to notice today is May 19th. And our presentations will be on May 28th and 29th. This is very manageable because if you do just one slide a day or two slides a day and then take a couple days to edit and revise and make them better, check the rubric, you will be in great shape to present on the 28th and 29th, being able to practice on the 26th and 27th. So let me go to the actual classwork page. Remember, you're going to be finding your copy of the Google Slides to do this project here in your classwork under Natural Disasters Virtual Science Fair. That is the topic. And it is this lovely little thing right here, Natural Disasters Virtual Science Fair. That's the assignment. Here, of course, are resources you can use to get information and find out about your topic. So I want to show you first today the example that Mr. Buckman and I made for you guys. And this one, we did research on drought. And of course, we pretended that my favorite, Russell Wilson, was doing this assignment. He's quite the third grader, you know. So this is the title slide. You have that in yours, and it happens to be the first slide also. And you will be replacing this part of the slide, which if you look at the working copy here, that part of the slide, it's right here, it's in green, it says title of your presentation. The directions at the bottom say highlight title of your presentation and replace it with the natural disaster you are researching. An example, extreme heat. That might be what you choose to research. What is interesting to you? That's what you need to decide to choose your topic. Highlight, type your name here and replace it with your name. And if we go back to the example that I have, we've got Russell Wilson, typed his name there, and drought replaced the topic here. Okay, so that's how you do your first slide. Now the second slide is the definition slide. What is the definition of the topic that you chose? We chose to research drought because it's a very important topic, and it's actually something that people can help prevent sometimes. So we found the definition: a drought is a period of dry weather, especially a long one that is harmful to crops and affects people and the environment. It's a good working definition. We then put the definition into our own words, and we added a couple pictures to illustrate what drought is. You can see the dried up land. You can see here a comparison of some lakes when there was no drought to when there is drought. So important pictures that illustrate what that type of natural disaster is. Okay, so that's the first two slides. Again, the definition, and of course, notice that we changed this to what is drought. You will notice on your copy, and I have to keep moving that bookmark bar, I'm sorry. On your copy, that definition slide is actually way down here on slide 10 because slides 2 through 9 are directions for you and image banks so that you can copy and paste images if you would like. And also the image banks are there to help you decide on what topic you would like to research for natural disasters. We put those up front because we want you to be inspired. Wow, look at that meteorite. I think I want to research that. Oh my, look at that landslide. I think that's interesting. I think I want to research that. So those are there for inspiration and to use. So once we get past those image bank and resource slides. This has all kinds of videos. I want you guys to watch these videos. Choose some of them. Choose the topics over here on the left that you think look interesting, and then watch some videos to go with it. And then on those video pages, you'll see links for other similar videos that you might want to watch. Okay, here's that slide I was just talking about, slide 10. You are going to make that your second slide after you're ready to turn in or present your presentation. You're going to take all of these slides 2 through 9 and scoot them on down to the end. To do that, you're just going to click and slide. See, it says move one slide. Okay, I'm not ready to do that quite yet, so I'm just going to leave it where it is. But when you're all done with your presentation, you can move those. Now, Slide 10, what is your topic? You will notice that on my sample here, I retyped it. What is drought? So I just typed drought there in place of topic. So I'm going to do that right now. D-R-O-U-G-H-T. And of course, you're going to want to check your spelling. So you don't have to do it when you first are typing on it. Go back later and check your spelling and your grammar. Make sure all of your sentences sound complete and have punctuation, capitalization, proper word usage before you turn it in. So I did that. What is your drought? The next thing I'm going to do is highlight this text and type a good definition of what my topic is. And that's what I'm going to do here. So remember that I found a great definition, and drought is an unusually dry period of time. Okay, and I'm not going to continue with that right now. You saw my definition on the example slide. You have the example slide available to look at. Type your definition for your natural disaster. Drought was mine. I don't know what yours is. You get to decide that. Type your chosen topic here and type your definition here. And again, you just highlight it and type it, okay? If you make a mistake, remember to use this undo. Okay, the next thing I would do is insert a picture over here. So I'm actually going to click this. It says insert picture or photo here to cover text. I'm going to delete that first. Then I'm going to find a photo up here that works well, or another image. I'm looking for the one that fits my topic. Oh, here it is, drought. Look at that. I clicked on it. I'm going to copy, use whatever copy function, Control V or Control C. And then I'm going to go back and Control V to paste it in there. Control V. Okay. Just need to slide it down. I might resize it so that it fits better. You might go to the internet and find pictures. It is entirely up to you how you do that. Remember, on Google Slides, you can click Insert, Image, Search the Web. When you do that, you're going to get a search box over here. I can type in drought, and I'm going to get images. Look at those images. Ooh, this is a great one. Watch this. I can drag it and drop it on my computer. Oh, maybe not here. Yep, there we go. And then, of course, I'll need to resize because this is just too large for that space. But wow, look at that photo. That's very, very good illustration of what a drought causes to happen. Okay, there we go. So down at the bottom, it says bonus, extend your effort by giving your topic a catchy, fitting title. What is your drought? Not very catchy. So maybe I would come up with how dry it is, or drier than, some simile. I'm going to think on that a bit. Okay, guys, so that's your first 2 slides. You should be able to get those done by tomorrow quite easily. If you did not, that's okay. And good luck. Have fun with this. Learn about a natural disaster that interests you. And remember, natural disasters, we can't prevent them, but we can control how we respond to them. So be thinking about what are things you can do in an emergency situation. Have fun with this. And remember that you're going to find it in your classwork, and that you're going to find this particular video also in your classwork. Okay? Have a great day, and do some great reading and learning today. Bye-bye.